Hello everyone, good morning all, how are you? Fine? Okay, tell me one thing, you all have enjoyed your festival yesterday? So we all celebrated Raksha Bandhan, you all have enjoyed it? Great, very good. So you must have met lot of your guests. तो आप सबने उनको wish किया? And did you wish them in a proper sentence form? Did you converse with them in English? Good. So whenever any guest is coming at home, I am teaching you how to do conversation in English. So try to converse with them, try to talk to them in English. Greet them confidently, tell about your school, about your topics which you are learning these days, and whenever they are asking you, don't feel shy to answer them. You have to be very confident when you are speaking. Okay class? So now let's begin with our today's class. So today is a change in our date. So today is 4th August 2020. Now what is the change? Till Friday we were doing July month and now we have begun with August. So what we have started? August month. Now the month of August has begun and the date is 4th. So today is 4th and the day is Tuesday. Yes, it is 4th because Saturday was 1st August, Sunday was 2nd and Monday was 3rd August, and all these 3 days were your holidays. है ना? Saturday, Sunday, Monday were your 3 holidays. So after 3 days holidays we are meeting and we are beginning our classes. So today we are going to start with our maths class, and in maths you have completed your counting till 100. है ना? We have completed our counting, writing also and oral also. We have completed till 100. So now we are going to start writing further. Further मतलब उसके आगे की counting हम start करेंगे. That is, today I am going to teach you counting from 101 to 140. Clear? तो अब आप just tell me one thing, that when we wrote 100, जब मैम ने 100 लिखा था, so 1 was written under H. याद है आपको? When I told you one group of 100 objects, you remember that? So today we are going to count further. 101, 102. So like this we are going to do. अब कोई भी 101, 102, 103 ऐसे नहीं बोलना है, because I told you previous also. जब आप बोलते थे 99, 99 ऐसे नहीं बोलना है ना. 90 and 9 is 99. So we speak them together as 99. So now 101 नहीं बोलना है. We are going to call 101. यानी कि a group of 100 objects and one more. Clear? So let's see how we have to write this count. So I'm going to begin it. So the first thing is, now when you are going to make your counting grid in notebook, begin with hundreds, tens and ones. So all the 3 things should be there. H for hundreds, T for tens and O for ones. Clear? So shall we begin our counting now? Right. So first thing is 101. अब आपको याद है जब हमने 100 लिखा था, we wrote 100, है ना? अब 100 में जब हमने 1 ऑब्जेक्ट और डाला तो यहाँ पे 1 आ गया 0 की जगह. Clear? So now like this we are going to move ahead with our counting. Now 102, then 103. Don't say 103. No, this is not 103. This is 103. So you have to speak it correctly. जब आप इसको सही से बोलोगे तो whenever ma'am is giving you dictations or we are doing any number, if ma'am is saying open page number 111, तो आप open नहीं कर पाओगे. मैम बोलेंगी open on page 111, तभी आपको समझ में आएगा ना. So the correct way of speaking will teach us correct way of writing also. तो पहले हम बोलेंगे, जब हम सही बोलेंगे तभी तो हम सही लिखेंगे ना बच्चे. So always say 103. Clear? Now moving to the next one, we are going to write 104, 105, then 106, 107, then comes 108, then is 109, and after 109 will come 110. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? 110. See, 110. 110 नहीं बोला ना, 110 यानी कि 1 in hundreds column and 10. That is 110. Understood everyone? Now moving ahead, 111, 112. Then next is 113, 114, 115. We have then 116. After that 117. Then after 117 we have 118. Then we have 119. Now we are supposed to write 120. So how we are going to write 120? So can you see, when I have written these two series, I have left a gap in between. आपको ये gap छोड़ना है. After writing this, again we are going to leave one line. Clear all? अब मान लीजिए ये लाइन नहीं छोड़ते और मैम यहाँ से लिखना शुरू कर देती है 121, तो ये रॉन्ग होगा ना, पता ही नहीं लगेगा from where we have started and where we are going to write. So we are not going to write like this. Clear all? So now the next is 121. Then moving ahead, 122, 123, 124, 125. Now kids, one thing more I want to tell you. आप देख रहे हो जो मैम ये 1 लिख रहे हैं, आई एम राइटिंग इट ऑन द बॉटम लाइन, लेकिन ऊपर थोड़ा सा गैप छोड़ा है. Why? If you will write like this, तो ये तो एक सीधी स्ट्रेट लाइन बनती जा रही है ना. So we are not going to write like this also. Clear? ऐसे नहीं लिखना है आपको. एक ये स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं बनाएंगे हम लोग. When we are doing this work, हमें ऊपर थोड़ी सी गैप छोड़नी है while writing the numbers. Clear? Okay. Now we have written 125. Now 126, 127, 128. Then we have 129. And after that we are going to write 130. Very good. So this is 130. Understood? Now moving to the next line, we are going to begin with which number? 131. So I'm going to write like this: 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, and the last one is 140. So today we are going to write our counting till 140. Clear how we have to write this counting? And the other most important thing is how we are going to speak it. When we are writing, आप जब भी वर्क करते हो, try to speak and write. जब आप करेक्ट बोलोगे तभी आप करेक्ट लिख पाओगे. Clear all? I'm repeating this. Speak correctly then only you will able to write it correctly. So today we have completed our counting from 101 to 140, and this work to be done in your notebook. So do this work in your notebook. And how you have to do, I'll just show you. So first have a look at notebook work, and after that do your work. And don't forget to share the pictures with me. Clear? Class, now I am going to tell you how you have to write your counting in notebook. So this is your maths notebook in which we are going to start our work. So the first thing is write today's date, that is 4th August 2020, and this is your classwork. So we are going to write CW. Now what is the topic today? Counting. So we are going to write counting, and from where we are writing 101 to 140. So like this we have written our topic now. Now we are going to start with 100, tens, ones and a cross. So first we'll write one line here. So as I have taught you, we are going to start from 101. So let's write 101, 102. See, when ma'am is writing, I am saying the number. Similarly, you will speak it and you will write it. 103, 104, 105, 106, 107. After that, 108, 109 and 110. Done. Now after this we'll again write 100, tens and ones and a cross here. So what does this cross means? That you have to skip this line. आपको इस line में कुछ नहीं लिखना है. Now moving to the next one. After 110 we will write 111, 112, 113. So class, as I told you, आपको यहाँ थोड़ा गैप छोड़ना है. Don't write big one. Otherwise अगर आप इसको ऐसे join करके लिखोगे, it will look like a single standing line. So we are not going to do it like this. We are going to write like this only. Okay. Now 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Now again 100, tens and ones and a cross mark. Now after 120 we are going to start with 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129 and 130. So now we don't have a space here. We'll move to the next page. Again I am going to write 100, tens and ones. Now after 130 we are going to start 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139 and the last number for the day is 140. So we are supposed to write till 140. So I have completed. Now if no one is going to write in one box like this 101, only in heading we are using it, but when you are writing your counting like this, no one will write it in this way. Clear? Because 100 has its own value, tens has its own value and 1 has its different value. तीनों की अलग values होती हैं. That is why we write H for hundreds, T for tens and O for ones. So this is how you are going to do your work in notebook today. Understood? So class, you have understood how to write this counting in your notebook. Practice writing this counting in your notebook, and please don't leave your practice of writing the previous counting also. Keep practicing your work from 1 to 100, and now we have started our counting beyond 100 also. So keep practicing your counting. And the way you can do one thing also, जब आप खेल रहे होते हो, when you are playing or you are just roaming around, कभी होता है कि हम खेल भी नहीं रहे हैं, we are not doing anything, we are just roaming around. So you can keep on revising it orally. 101, 102, 103, 104. इस तरह से in a rhythmic form also you can revise your counting. Or what you can do is when you are climbing stairs, climbing up or climbing down, आप stairs पे खेल रहे हो, I mean you are climbing up or down, आप ऊपर जा रहे हो या नीचे आ रहे हो, or you are playing in the blocks. So count your blocks. With this you can do count and keep. हमारा जो count and write का concept था. So like this, find out different ways of revising the work which we have done. Because till now we have done lot of concepts, lot of pre-number concepts also. Keep revising them in a fun-filled way. Clear? So again I am saying, finish your work, complete your work and share the pictures with me. Okay? And get ready for the next class. So your next class is EVS class. So in EVS also I am going to teach you something interesting. So be prepared for the next class.